In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set automatic slide timing in Microsoft PowerPoint. Office 365 tutorial. If you want your slides to advance on their own without any clicking, this is exactly what you need. It's ideal for self-running slideshows, digital displays, kiosks, or turning your presentation into a smooth, video-like experience. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to automate. Before you change any timing, check that your slides are in the right order and that your content is final. Timing works best when your text, images, and any animations are already in place, so you're pacing the slides around what the audience needs to see. Click the slide you want to time. You can begin with the first slide and work through your deck, or you can set one timing and apply it to every slide, then come back and fine-tune. Either approach works depending on how customized you want the pacing to be. Now go to the Transitions tab at the top. This is where you control how slides move from one to the next and how long each slide stays on screen. It's different from the Animations tab, which deals with how objects move on a single slide. In the timing group, look for Advance Slide. If on mouse click is selected, uncheck it so the slide won't wait for a click. Then check the after box and enter how many seconds you want the slide visible before it advances. For example, 5 seconds gives your viewers a quick glance for simple visuals, while longer timings work for dense content. The countdown starts as soon as the slide appears, so think about how long someone needs to read and absorb the information. If you want the same timing across your entire presentation, click Apply to All. PowerPoint will copy that duration to every slide instantly. You can still come back and adjust individual slides later. This setting only affects when slides advance. It won't change existing animations or media playback settings. If certain slides need more time, select each one and adjust the after value to suit the content. Slides with more text, charts, or important visuals often benefit from a longer pause so your audience can follow along comfortably. To preview the result, go to the Slideshow tab and choose From Beginning. Your presentation should now run automatically according to the timings you set. If a slide doesn't move on, check that on-mouse click is turned off and after is enabled with a valid duration. And that's it. Automatic slide timing makes hands-free presentations simple and consistent. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment with any questions. Thanks for watching.